In this video, I will show you how you can upload your website to a live or production server which uses the cPanel control panel. You can upload files mainly using two different ways. First method is by using the file manager feature in cPanel, and the second one is by using an FTP application. First, I will show you how to upload your website files using FTP application. I assume that you have created your website and the files are stored on your computer. In this tutorial I will use the popular and free FTP application called FileZilla. We will now search for FileZilla download in Google. You can choose 32-bit version or 64-bit version. Since I have a 64-bit PC, I will download the 64-bit version. Once the download is complete, run the installer and complete the setup. Now, we will open cPanel. Then we will find the FTP accounts icon and select it. Here you can see the Configure FTP Client option. Click on it and download the FTP configuration file. After downloading it, open FileZilla FTP. Select Import option from the File menu. Browse the downloaded FTP configuration file and click Open. Click OK. It should be imported now. Now click this first icon on your toolbar and you will see a drop down like this. Select the one that we just imported. It will now ask for the FTP password. Enter your password and click OK. Now it is connected to the server. You can see the server file explorer on the right side and local files on the left side. We have to select the public_tml folder now. Select all the website files and simply drop it on the server explorer. Wait for the transfer to complete. Let's open the website now. Yes, the site is working now. To upload using File Manager, you will have to make an archive of all the website files. For this we need a file archiving application. We will use WinRAR for this. You can download WinRAR from this website. Choose the appropriate version. I will choose 64-bit since my PC is 64-bit. Run the setup after download completes. Follow the setup instructions and complete the install. Now we will archive the website files. Select all the files. Choose Add to Archive from the left-click menu. We need to choose the zip format here. Click OK. Next, go to cPanel. Select File Manager. Select the public_tml folder. This is where we should put all the files. Now click the upload button. Browse the archive file from your computer. Upload has been completed. Now go back to the file manager. Select the file and select the extract icon from the toolbar. Click extract. All the files have been extracted and now you can access the website.